So here we are, it's March 16th. Daisy's due date, if counting from the day that we saw the bull mount her, should be tomorrow. And I come to check her tonight, and we are seeing this sort of thing happening. So I would say she's going to be just about bang on here, and she'll have her calf either tonight or tomorrow, but I'm reckoning tonight, so I guess I'm doing night checks tonight. It's very exciting. Look at that udder though, holy cow. She's so full of milk, my goodness. Tight as a drum, isn't that right? Huh? Yeah. Be good to keep it. Hey, get out of here now. Psh, psh, psh. Like, look at that, that is firm. Whoa, we're gonna be milking. So here we are checking at last light. She was bedded down here in that spot right there, well away from the rest of the herd over there by the feeders. And she doesn't like me getting close. So I'm just gonna leave her alone for now because I don't want her going in the bush there. So it is, I'm not even sure what time it is. I think it's 7:30. So I'll check her again in a couple hours and see what kind of progress she has made. I'm not sure if I'll be able to video by then, but we will see, I guess. All right, here it is, morning of the 17th. As of midnight last night, Daisy had not had her calf. But as we can see, she's got a little calf curled up beside her. I can see it's alive. Oh, it's very pretty, Miss Daisy. Oh, it still looks a little wet. Must be very fresh. Let's see if she'll let me get close to see what it is. Hi, little calf. Hi, little calf. You are a bull calf. Oh, can you get on your feet? Can you get on your feet? Can you get up? Oh, Daisy. He's on his feet. So this calf's dad was a red Angus. I'm not your mom, calf. You gotta spin around. That's your mama right there. There she goes. Oh, this is ideal. Can you find a nibble? Can you find it? Oh, you're on the wrong end, little guy. Alright, well, I'm disturbing them a little too much. I think I'm gonna go and just let things go the way they're meant to here. But yeah, live calf walking already. Things are looking good. I don't know if you can tell, but Daisy's actually dripping milk. She's ready to feed that calf. I don't think we'll milk her this morning, but we may milk her this afternoon. Plus, I haven't got time to milk her. I gotta go to work yet today. But yeah, very exciting. Little calf on the ground. Daisy doesn't like the Alright, we'll leave this family. Maybe I'll have his breakfast. Alright, so now it's Saturday morning. Daisy had her calf. Daisy had her calf yesterday early in the morning. We left the calf with her all day. Then we milked her in the evening, and it went very well. Now we're milking her again. And this is Saturday morning. We're milking her again. And it's just like old times. She comes when she's called. And comes just storming in the barn. Where's my grain, she says. And the kitties are so excited. It's milking time again. That means they get a little splash. And that's what kitties live for around here. So a couple of days of colostrum out of her, and then we'll be keeping the milk, and there you go. We're cooking. Come on, Daisy. It's milking time on Friday night. I'd said mistakenly said Saturday this morning, but it's Friday. So we call Daisy in. She's pretty keen. Come on, big girl. Yeah. She squirts right into her stall there and has a bit of grain. We'll wash her up and we're ready to go. There, so now we're hooked on. The whole thing doesn't take very long. She barely has enough time to eat her grain. And we get her all milked out. She's still very big and firm, even though she's not kicking out her maximum amount just now. A lot of that swelling, it'll go down. And then eventually she'll be giving us 5 or 6 gallons a day. Or per milking, yeah. And then we're in the milk business. Well, in the feeding a calf business. Feeding calves up. Kitties are all swarming around, waiting for the big moment when their little dish gets filled. Here's an update now on how the younger calves are doing, and specifically White Line, and how she's fitting in with the older calves. She's doing really well. She was a little lost for the first week, but she's fit in real good. She comes running for her grain and competes good with the other ones, even though they're all a little bit bigger than she is. But she gets her fair share. She sees to that.